Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm a creeper. Watch out, I'm about to explode. Just kidding. But you already know what time it is. Let's take this off again. So all of this is connected. I'm gonna have to do this in one go. Okay. Okay, I got this. These lines are kind of sharp, though. Also, I guess it wasn't connected. Let's do the other pieces then. Guess fast is the way to go. Yeah, never mind. Slow. Almost there. That was nice. Now it's just the easy part left. I'll clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave. I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm Baby Yoda. But I won't be Baby Yoda anymore. And just like that, I am now human. I won't lie to you guys, I am overheating. That's better. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got your bed sheets dirty. I hope this doesn't stain. Shall we take the ears off? I won't lie to you guys, I spent a little too long painting these. Okay, just one more? No, I can do this, that's fine. I don't know why I always choose to put liquid latex so close to my hair. But now we just gotta take off this pretty face. Nightmare fuel. Green paint doesn't stain skin, right? Alright, I took a shower and I think we're in the clear. Comment which movie character you want to see me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day. Well, hello, what's out there? It's time to take this off again. Roblox has so many different parts in it that I couldn't think of anything better than just doing a logo-inspired makeup. And for what it is, I'm really happy with the look. Let's take it off. Ooh. Ow! That didn't hurt, that was all acting. The tears are also fake. Ready? Watch this, no emotions. Nothing. But we're not done yet. Oh no. I thought it was in my hair for a second. Oof. Now it's just the easy part left. Lovely. This is what I see in my nightmares. This is always my favorite part. Oh, that's clean. I am so easily amused. Oh my god. Okay, please leave my eye. Thank you very much. And for the most part, I am clean. My face is slightly stained pink, but we can deal with it. And well, you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. It feels so nice to see. Now, I've done a lot of things for my makeup looks, but I can definitely say I never had to glue popcorn to my face before. I guess there's a first time for everything, huh? Let's start taking these off. I'll start with the small ones. Oh, it broke. That was so much bigger than I expected. Now the big boy. Oh, am I beautiful? I really hope my eye is not stained. Oh god. I think I'm good. I took it all off. Yeah. And you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. You little freaks, guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry I have to be quiet again, because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything, anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day, and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one, and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. Hey there, you little freaks. Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Yeah. I can finally talk and I can drink some water and I am so happy and I've never been this happy before. So cute. I really hope I don't break out tomorrow because damn, that was a lot of latex on my face. While I had that on, 3 people managed to call me and I was not able to pick up the phone because I wasn't able to talk. This feels so good. Also, this is kind of random, but I dyed my eyebrows. So like, I can wake up and just go on about my day with my eyebrows being done. Like, what? But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day today. Trapophobia warning, y'all. Well, hello, you little freaks. I cannot talk once again. Thank you very much for coming to my page. Anyways, it's time to take this off again. And oh dear God, I hate wax so much. I am looking forward to taking this off. Boom. Leave. Be gone. Wax. Oh, there we go. That's nice. Wow, so cute. Doon. It just pops right off. Ah, it's so nice. There's some little pieces here as well. Boom. Leave me alone. Yee. The best feeling in the world. I'm gonna leave my contact on because I want to see if my boyfriend will notice that I have 2 different eye colors. I don't think he will. But either way, you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. Ah, how did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help. Yo, I don't want to take this off. What do I do in this situation? Like, I need to take it off. I took pictures of it. Like, ripping that eyelash off, literally pain. It's 11 p.m. and I should start getting ready for bed, but I don't wanna. I wanna have this on. I'm not gonna sleep all night. So I thought I would share the pain on TikTok because that's what TikTok has been for me. So let's do it. I can't. It's okay, we got this. Okay, there we go. That wasn't, I'm fine. I am so tempted right now to just redraw the part that I erased, but self-control. Let's do this part right here. Yes, like nothing ever happened. I did not spend 3 hours on this. No, I didn't. Nothing happened. I had no makeup on. Now I understand the people who like to draw on canvases other than faces, because then they don't have to take it off. It just stays. I'm sad. I'm gonna go eat or something. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? It's time to take this off again. Wait, let me turn on the light. Turn on the light. Yeah. Do I look beautiful? Grimace is having the greatest birthday of all times. Also, this is so uncomfortable and I can't see or breathe or hear. I have no senses left. I want them back. Let's go. So, before I take this off, I want to get my cat's reaction to this makeup. Oh. Are you scared? He doesn't like it. Okay, well, that's a sign to take it off. I don't know. I think it's fair to start with the eyebrows. Oh, nice. Okay, what next? Let's go for the eyes so I could see. Oh my god! I feel like this is more terrifying than, than it was with the eyes. But, okay, this part has come off pretty much all the way. Oh. Fast, fast, fast. 1, 2, 3. I forgot what air smells like. But imagine someone knocking on the door right now and me going to open it like this. Like, wait. Knock, knock, knock. Hi, yes, hello. Have you been trying to reach me about my car's extended warranty?
No, thank you. No. Okay, goodbye.
Okay, I want to keep taking this off because my ears hurt. They're somewhere in there. Okay, this is all liquid latex. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ah, okay, that hurts. Wait, 1, 2, 3. It's been so long. Ah. The longer I have this makeup on my face, the less brain cells I have. Okay, at least a part of my eyebrow is still there. I'm just procrastinating on taking the neck off because I know that's gonna hurt. Okay, do the sideburns. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's yarn in my eyes and mouth and nose. Okay, this is all bald cap. Oh, never mind. Gonna be selling this on my OnlyFans? I'm just kidding. Can you imagine? I do want to free my ears. Oh, that's nice. I really don't know how to approach the neck. I feel like it's gonna come out in patches or with my skin. Like, it's on there. At least there's progress. It's just taking so long. Okay, I think I got most of it. Did you miss the nightmare fuel, you guys? I did. I'm gonna go shower. Hopefully my skin is not too stained after this. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here. I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow! It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. Ah! That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Ah! Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off. Woo!
Hiya, Georgie. What a nice boat. Do you want it back? You look like a nice boy. Do you want a balloon too, Georgie? Oh, well, I'm Pennywise the dancing clown. Pennywise? Yes, meet Georgie. Georgie, meet Pennywise. Now we aren't strangers, are we? A storm blew me away. Blew the whole circus away.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, the lighting's really bright. Hello? But yes, it is time to take this off again. Originally, this look was supposed to be like a scary side and a pretty side, but slowly it turned into like heat miser and snow miser, and I don't know how that happened. I better not see any comments about it or I will cry. But now it's time to start learning how to speak Valeria, yes. Contacts. Now that I can actually see myself, it doesn't look that bad. I'm just always so hard on myself for no reason. Anyways, I put thread in my hair to like expand the thread. I once again feel like a shoe. A really pretty shoe. Ow. Let's get this over with. Oh no. The gemstones just flew everywhere. Let's do that again. Oh, they just fell. I know you guys need your nightmare fuel. And I forgot to film the last part, but I'm not clean, but I have a different makeup on now. Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off.